I'm Bernie Shank, owner of Bernie's Wood Art from Floral City, Florida.
My name is Sharon Schwartz, and I'm here with my father and my husband, and I'm from Holiday.
Good morning, I'm Doug LaFay from the Hernando Star Magazine, and I'm here on a beautiful day at the Hernando Beach Marina, where we're holding our third annual cardboard boat race.
My name is Rick Fody, and I am associated with the Coast Guard Auxiliary, but today I'm playing the MC for the Hernando Beach Cardboard Boat Race, so third annual, mind you.
Well, this is my third year, and this is the boat I use every year. I haven't fixed it up, it's just going to go until it dies. But the race is held right out behind me, and we have many participants today from different businesses and private people that just want to join and have a good time.
We came here last year for the first time just to see the boats. I brought my father out here, and when we were having lunch at the Seafood Festival, I asked my dad if he would consider building me a boat so that I could run in this year's race. So this is my first time racing a boat called Come On, I Wanna Lay Ya, and everybody's getting lays today.
So it's a nice little show. And like I say, I was just here last year for the first time, and I sold quite a bit of stuff. So that's how you kind of gauge shows. If you sell quite a bit, it's worth coming back. If you don't, it's not worth coming back.
The event is to raise money for safe boating. We have about, I think, roughly 15 boats, vessels that are going to be put in the water and see what they can do.
But my great expectations are to build a much bigger and more grandeur boat and really make a statement.
It's quite hilarious to watch those cardboard boats as they sink and so on. It's a real fun event. I guess that's why I'm here.
I'm already working on my design for next year, so I think I got a good chance, at least not sinking. Maybe next year I can actually go for the win.
This is going to be, I think, one of those events that will just keep going and keep going, keep going. So looking forward to seeing what we'll bring next year. It's just gotten larger every year.